WhatsApp has introduced a new feature that lets you call a number even if the contact is not saved in your phone. Here's how you can use it. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Go to the Calls tab from the bottom right corner. Tap the green dialer icon, represented by a phone symbol with a keypad or plus sign on it. Here, you will see a new option labeled Call a Number. If it's missing, update WhatsApp to the latest version. Now tap on it. Enter the phone number, including the correct country code. WhatsApp will check if the number is registered. If the number isn't on WhatsApp, you will be prompted to invite the person to join. And if the number is registered, you will see the person's name. Tap the call button to start the call. The audio call will begin immediately. Once the recipient answers, you can switch to a video call from there. In the call log, you'll see the dialed number, followed by the person's name below it. So that's how you can use the new Call a Number feature on WhatsApp.